Here's a view from inside. So the big area here. Back there they've closed off a little bit of the Taekwondo studio, which is not where it's going to be permanently, but here's kind of what they've started to do here. So no framing upstairs yet. In through this area they took down all the stairs here. Be careful walking under that. They've done framing up through the front area here. So front office, Stephanie's office, that's kind of Connie's office over in the corner, and some evaluation rooms framed out. And then this area over here will be kind of a kitchen bathroom area. Alright, that's all for today's update.